So good morning. We are here with Sonal Saxena, President from Visnova, one of the most important SAP partners here in the Partner Executive Council in India. Sonal, we would like to talk about social media. This is a new trend that within SAP we are using for partner enablement, but we would like also to know what actually partners are doing today with social media. So what are you doing? What is important to you? How are you leveraging this new trend? Please tell us.
Sure. What we've done is we've actually created our own website, portal, which is essentially doing few things. One, it is doing search engine optimization.
Okay.
Right. Also, it is getting linked on to various social media sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, all these.
So you're connecting to those effectively.
Yes, yes. And using search engine optimization and creating our own dummy, you can say, users on all these sites, we are actually creating a topic of discussion and basically inviting more and more users on it.
Okay.
So essentially what it is helping us do is create awareness about SAP, create awareness about Visnova.
Okay.
Also, it's an interactive forum, so we keep getting suggestions, we keep getting leads. I mean, it's a very good way of generating leads. It helps us reach out to newer territories because in this, there is no regional boundaries attached to this. So
that's one of the advantages of social media.
Absolutely, absolutely. So where it's really helping us is reaching out to the international markets. Since we're also a global ISV to SAP, it's opening us doors internationally. We get a lot of response from there.
Okay.
From the domestic perspective, it helps you because when you ask your customer to log on to these sites and visit visit these sites and see what kind of work we've done there and what kind of topics are being discussed, I think it adds value. And essentially they are also able to express their views. There would be definitely positive views which we would like there, but there are also times where they give us suggestions that probably this is not happening right, so improve on it. So it's I guess a great platform which we have started using very recently, but I believe there's a lot of potential in this.
Okay, so for you, as you said, it is important because you use it as a demand generation, lead generation platform. How do you value it? I mean, what do you measure? Do you measure traffic? Do you measure the behavior of the people? What's the value for you?
Right. We of course measure the traffic. We know how many people have really visited this site.
Okay.
We then create a small questionnaire out there, right? With that questionnaire, what helps is we are able to capture some data about the people who have visited the site, and which basically becomes our, it's a part of our data bank basically, right? And how it is helping us is that we have very, categorized data. We know who to call, who's, basically which territory is giving us more response. Are the people from Europe visiting the site more, or the people from India? So it's really helping us from, it gets us a lot of segmented data.
Okay, so do you have like a strategic plan for this? Is it already implemented also in terms of communication calendar?
This is actually in the pilot phase right now. We intend to implement it completely by the Q1 for us. For us, the Q1 is the running quarter, right? So hopefully by June end, this should be in place totally.
Okay. That's good. That's not interesting news. Anything else you want to add, or?
I think somewhere.
Comment, yeah.
Yeah, I think if SAP has also started doing this, for products like SAP Business One, which generally don't get so much of publicity as SAP R3 or All-in-One, I think it would be a greater tool because a lot of people log on, and if there is advertising done indirectly, through these mediums, of course there'll be more awareness.
So another possible way to use it is for promotion, for awareness, also in the lower mid-market where Business One is more popular.
Absolutely. Because I don't see too much happening directly from Business One, so I guess this would be a very good medium.
Okay, so thank you very much, Sonal. Nice
you.
talking to you.
Thank
and
you so much.
Have a nice day here in Goa then. Thank you.
You too. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's see how it came out.